Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be multiplying decimals. Let's multiply 3 and 42 hundredths times 7 and 2 tenths. Or we can say 3.42 times 7.2. Let's start by stacking the decimals vertically. We have 3 and 42 hundredths times 7 and 2 tenths. We don't have to worry about lining up the decimals when we multiply. We'll get to that later. Let's start by multiplying in the lowest place values. 2 times 2. We know that is 4. Now let's multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now let's multiply 2 times 3. We know that's 6. Now that we're done with this first digit, now we will multiply by the next digit. Let's put our placeholder since we're moving on to the next place value. Now let's start with 7 times 2. We know 7 times 2 is 14. We'll regroup the 1 and put the 4 down. Now we can multiply 7 times 4. We know that's 28 plus 1 is 29. We can regroup the 2 and write the 9. Now we can multiply 7 times 3. We know 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2, 22, 23. Now let's add the partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Regroup the 1 and bring down the 2. 1 plus 6 plus 9. We can do 9 and 1 is 10 plus 6 is 16. Let's regroup the 1 and bring down the 6. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus nothing is 2. Now let's think about the placement of our decimal. There's 2 digits after this decimal, and 1 digit after this decimal. That makes 3. We can put our decimal in 3 places, 1, 2, 3. The product is 24 and 624 thousandths. 8 and 45 hundredths times 2 and 7 tenths. Let's start by stacking the decimals vertically. We don't have to worry about lining up the decimals when we multiply. Now let's multiply this first digit. 7 times 5. We know 7 times 5 is 35. Regroup the 3 and bring down the 5. Now 7 times 4 is 28, plus 3 is 29, 30, 31. Regroup the 3, bring down the 1. We know that 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3, 57, 58, 59. Now that we finished with this digit, now we can multiply by the next digit, but we need to add a placeholder since we're moving on to the next digit. 2 times 5. That's 10. Regroup the 1 and bring down the 0. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 8 is 16. Now we can add the partial products. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 9 is 18. Regroup the 1 and bring down the 8. 6 and 6 is 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2. We notice that there's 2 digits after this decimal and 1 digit after this decimal. That means the decimal goes 3 digits in. 1, 2, 3. The product is 22 and 815 thousandths.